Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to explain an error which I got when I was working with the React Native project. I was trying to execute a command. Then I got an error message. I fixed it. I will explain it one by one. I have already opened my React Native project on VS Code. You can see my VS Code terminal here. I executed this command npx space at rnx hyphen kit / align hyphen deps space hyphen hyphen requirements hyphen space react hyphen native at 0.75.1. This is the command which I executed. Then I got this warning and error message. Actually, my React Native project is using React Native version of 0.64.4. I have a requirement to upgrade my React Native version to the latest one. The latest current React Native version is 0.75.1. So I checked the React Native version upgradation documentation. Then I got this command and I executed this command, but unfortunately I got this error message. I got this warning and error message. In this video, I am going to fix this warning message. If you check my package.json file, you can see that my React Native version is 0.64.4 and my React version is 17.0.1. I am trying to upgrade to 0.75.1. Automatically my React version also will be updated. Now let us look into the warning description. 1. Known bad packages are found in package.json. At React Native community, masked view at this package was renamed to at React Native masked view in 0.2.0. Please remove the old package and start using the new one. So from this description, it is clear that this package is renamed to this one. So they are telling us, please remove the old package and start using the new one. So let us change it. React Native community and masked view. Where is it? Is this one. We have to rename it to React Native masked view / masked view. Instead of React Native community, we have to replace React Native masked view. Let me change this one. Let me save it. Let us go to the second one. At React Native community, eslint-config at. As of React Native 0.72, yeah, they are mentioning the React Native version. You should use React Native eslint-config instead. So instead of React Native community eslint-config, we have to use React Native eslint-config. In the same way as React Native community masked view, this React Native community eslint-config also renamed. Instead of React Native community, we have to mention just React Native. So let us find it in the our package.json file, eslint. So it should be dev dependency. This one, we have to replace this one. Let us copy the entire new name. Let us replace this one. Yes. Now it is React Native eslint-config. Now we can read the remaining portion of the description. Alternatively, if you are looking for an eslint 9.x compatible config, try at rnx-kit eslint-plugin. We can leave it. Now let us go to the third part. Metro-react-native-babel-preset. This package was renamed to @react-native-babel-preset in React Native 0.73 version onwards. So this React Native community eslint-config renamed from React Native 0.72 version onwards, but this metro-react-native-babel-preset renamed from React Native version 0.73 onwards. So we can replace this package when you are on React Native 0.73 or higher. So right now our intention is to upgrade our React Native version from 0.64.4 to 0.75.1. So we are greater than 0.73. So we have to rename this one also. Let us copy this React Native Babel preset and let us replace it here. Let us replace it here. Let us save it this one. Now if you check the warning description again, we can find that React Native community masked view and React Native community eslint-config and metro-react-native-babel-preset. The packages has been renamed, and based on our requirement we have already renamed in our package.json file also. Okay, if we check our dependencies and dev dependency sections, we can find that we renamed as per this warning description. Now let us try to execute the command again. Let me clear the terminal. Let us run it again. npx @rns-kit align-deps --requirements React Native at 0.75.1. Let us wait. Check here. We don't have that warning message right now. That means we have successfully renamed all the packages which is already changed its old name and moved to new name. So we don't get any warning message here.